with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious Jaiba shrimp ceviche that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This amazing and refreshing, delicious ceviche, shrimp, imitation crab, tomatoes, limes, jalapeños, cucumber, purple onion, mangoes, cilantro, salt, and black pepper. This is everything we need, so let's get started. I want to start with the cucumber. I'm going to cut the edges and then I'm going to take a little bit of the skin off. Remember, I want to leave some of the green of the cucumber. And here, let me show you. I'm going to remove all the seeds. Remember to remove the seeds or else your ceviche is going to be really watery. And that's exactly what you don't want. Well, once you get all the seeds out, you're going to slice it nice and thin and then cube it. This really doesn't take too long, but let me tell you, this ceviche comes out delicious and refreshing. I'm going to go ahead, transfer it to a plate, and continue with my tomatoes. These tomatoes are organic. They are from my garden, and I'm removing the seeds. Once you remove the seeds, you're going to slice and then cube. This is very important. You want all your ingredients to be almost the same size. Once you have your tomato ready, you're going to transfer it to the same plate where you transfer your cucumber. And here I have my jalapeños. I want this ceviche not to be hot and spicy, so I'm using jalapeños. I'm going to remove the seeds and remove the vein. And here I'm just slicing away and then I'm ready to cube it. If you want it spicy, you could change the jalapeno to serrano chili. Here I have a large purple onion. I'm going to slice half only, and then I'm going to cube it. All these amazing colors that are going to go into the ceviche is going to be amazing. I have a bunch of cilantro. I'm going to really slice it and cube it in small little pieces. I have my mango here. Of course, I'm not going to throw away the bone of the mango. I'm going to enjoy it at the end of the video. And here, let me show you how I'm going to be scoring and cutting the mango so that it is nice and cubed just like that. Look at this. This is very easy. Just be careful that you don't slice through the skin and you cut yourself. Once you do this, you're going to start cutting off all those little squares. Very easy, very delicious, and I am sure you're going to love this recipe. If you got up to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives. So Cooking with Gloria continue growing. Here I have my limes. These are organic from my garden. They're small, but let me tell you, they are full of juice, lemon juice. With this little gadget, I'm not leaving anything behind. Once you have everything ready, I have 1.5 cups of the lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and of course, all the ingredients diced and cubed. My mouth is watering because I really want to taste this amazing ceviche. And here I'm going to add the lemon first. I want the lemon to really infuse all these amazing flavors. I'm going to add the salt and the black pepper. And remember that the salt is to taste. So here I'm just using a tablespoon of each. Once I add this, I am ready to incorporate and make sure that everything is coated with the lemon juice. Look at this. This is done. I'm going to put it aside. But before I do that, I want to get a tablespoon and taste it. All these colors, such refreshing and beautiful. Now I'm ready to taste, just in case I need to add a little bit of salt. To my taste, this is great. No need to add more salt. And here I have my pre-cooked shrimp. I am going to start cubing the shrimp. Of course, it's deveined and cleaned, and now I'm ready to just cube all the shrimp one by one. Once this is done, I'm going to put it aside and I'm going to continue shredding the imitation jaiba. Look at this. Take your time shredding it, pulling it apart so it really incorporates with the rest of the ingredients. Let me tell you, in this hot weather, this is something delicious and refreshing that you can enjoy with your beautiful family. There's no need to get your kitchen nice and hot when you can make a delicious ceviche homemade. All the ingredients are here. I am ready to add the shrimp and the imitation crab into all this amazing and beautiful colors. I'm going to add a little bit at a time until I mix everything into the juices of the lemon and the rest of the ingredients. Take your time so you don't make a mess. I'm going to incorporate all this amazing and delicious. This ceviche is so traditional. You eat it with tostadas, with chips. Oh my gosh, just amazing. Of course, I am ready to prepare my plate. I am ready to add it to tostadas and enjoy this amazing shrimp imitation crab and mango ceviche. Look at this. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Amazing ceviche. Of course, I added a little bit of Tabasco or any kind of sauce you have, but this is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So delicious. This ceviche is so delicious and refreshing. I am sure that once you make it, you're going to really enjoy it with your beautiful family. Amazing. I can't stop enjoying this amazing recipe. I hope, my friends, you make it and you enjoy it with your beautiful family. If you like and love this amazing ceviche, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say, I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing tostadas filled with an amazing ceviche. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.